with Zilliz BYOC-I on Google Cloud. You get a fully managed vector database running inside your own VPC, with Zilliz managing the control plane, while your data plane remains entirely in your environment. In this video, we'll deploy one from scratch in 4 steps. Before we begin, a quick prerequisites check. 4 things. A Zilliz account that owns a BYOC-I organization. A GCP project with the required APIs enabled. An environment to run Terraform. And GCP credentials to provision your infrastructure. With those in place, let's deploy. Step 1. Create the project. We'll start in Zilliz Cloud and define where this deployment will live. In your BYOC-I organization, click Create Project. Once the project is created, the Deploy Data Plane dialog opens automatically. Step 2. Configure the data plane with Terraform. Now we'll connect your Google Cloud environment to Zilliz. Start with the basics. Give your data plane a name, then choose the region where it will run. Next, decide whether to enable GCP Private Service Connect. Note that if you turn it on, you'll also need to create a PSC endpoint for the cluster later. Under Architecture, choose x86 or ARM. This controls which Zilliz BYOC image runs in your environment. Now go to Resource Settings. Turn on auto-scaling so your deployment can grow when traffic spikes and scale back when demand drops. Choose a project size, adjust the components if needed, then click Next. Step 3. Deploy with Terraform. This is where the infrastructure gets built inside your VPC. Now we'll get Terraform ready. There are only 3 commands. First, clone the examples repository. It already includes the complete BYOC-I Terraform configuration, so you don't need to write everything from scratch. Then change into the working directory and run Terraform in it. This downloads the Zilliz provider and prepares the workspace. Now comes the main deployment. Copy the Terraform apply command from the dialog. The command is already pre-filled with your BYOC-I parameters. You only need to add your GCP project ID, then run it. Provisioning takes about 30 minutes while Terraform builds everything out, and the BYOC agent comes online. So go grab a coffee. And apply complete. The data plane's fully provisioned, and the agent is up and running inside your cluster. Back in the Zilliz Cloud Console, the data plane status moves from deploying to running. Step 4, monitor, alert, and manage signals. Once it's online, we'll check status and keep operations under control. Now your data plane is live. From here, you can create Zilliz clusters directly in the console. The console becomes your single pane of glass, clusters, health, alerts, and operational status, all in one place. Before we wrap up, let's talk about security. The agent connects outbound over port 443 through an encrypted reverse tunnel, so no inbound ports are exposed. Only approved cloud-exported metrics reach the control plane. Your detailed metrics and logs collected by Prometheus and Loki remain inside your data plane, queried only when Zilliz helps you troubleshoot. If a Zilliz SRE needs access to your cloud resources like managed Kubernetes, it only happens with your consent. Access is via the internal ops service. Every action recorded, protected by authorization and VPN. You can manage all of this under technical support access. And if your data governance policy requires it, you can turn it off at any time. That's it. Deployment complete. You get a fully managed vector database, the isolation of your own VPC, and data that never leaves your control. Want Zilliz in your own cloud? Talk to us and get started.